Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, I'm taking you inside a place where innovation meets craftsmanship, where the legendary Toyota Camry is born. Yes, you heard that right. Buckle up and get ready for a fascinating tour of the Toyota Camry Factory in Kentucky. Now you might be wondering, isn't the Camry just a reliable family sedan? Well, it sure is, but what if I told you that the same meticulous engineering and cutting-edge technology used in supercars are applied here too? Let's start with the design phase. Before a single bolt is tightened, the Camry is designed using state-of-the-art computer-aided design software. Engineers and designers collaborate to ensure every curve and line is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This is where art meets science. Now onto the factory floor. This is where the magic happens. The Kentucky plant is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Robots and humans work side by side in perfect harmony. You'll see robotic arms welding frames with pinpoint accuracy, while skilled technicians assemble complex components by hand. Each Camry is a masterpiece of precision and teamwork. One of the most impressive parts of the process is the engine assembly. Here, the heart of the Camry is crafted. Highly trained specialists meticulously assemble the engine, ensuring every part fits perfectly. This attention to detail is what gives the Camry its renowned reliability. Next, let's talk about quality control. Every Toyota Camry undergoes rigorous testing. From the paint finish to the alignment of the wheels, nothing escapes the watchful eyes of Toyota's quality inspectors. They use advanced diagnostic tools to make sure each car meets the highest standards. And it doesn't stop there. The Camry is put through its paces on a test track, simulating real-world driving conditions. Only after passing these tests can it earn the Toyota badge. But what truly sets the Toyota Camry apart is its blend of performance and efficiency. The hybrid models in particular feature advanced technology that delivers more power while consuming less fuel. It's a win-win for both drivers and the environment. So the next time you see a Toyota Camry on the road, remember the incredible journey it took from concept to creation. It's not just a car, it's a testament to Toyota's commitment to excellence. Thanks for joining me on this factory tour. If you enjoyed this inside look at how Toyota supercars are born, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Until next time, drive